These are Royal Poinciana seed pods. They came off a tree a few blocks away from me, and they were given to me by a nice couple. And the tree is the one that's on thumbnail. This happens to be a red one. I think they come in yellow also. Anyway, this seed pod is about 15 inches. This one here is 22 inches. Each one of these segments here contain a seed. So as you can see in here, there's plenty of little segments, and in each one of them is a seed. And if you listen, you'll hear them shaking around. That means this pod is dried and the seeds are ready to be harvested. All right, I'm going to take the seeds out of one of these pods here. You can see the little cavity that each seed is in. Here's a seed here. Another one here. Here's one. And here's another one. Open this big guy up. A little rough. Okay, I had to break it in half. Anyway, you can see in here that the seed is right here in each one of those compartments. Okay, I had to put this one in the vise just to get the seeds out. Okay. You can see all those seeds right here. Got quite a few of them. Should be good. Anyway, got a nice bunch of seeds here. We'll plant them up. See what we get out of them. Alright, I'm going to start planting these seeds up. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to put them down like double the size, the thickness of the seed itself. I'm using regular Miracle-Gro potting soil, but you can use anything you really want. Any kind of potting soil will be just fine. keep track of the progress of these seeds. It's covering up a little bit. Firm them down a little. We'll give them a little watering, and we'll see what happens. I'll put them out in the sun, out back, and that's about it. All right, they look all ready for a little watering, and it'll be put out, and we'll see what we get. Well, the Royal Poinciana is doing pretty good. Here it is. It's like about 8 days later, and I have this guy that came up. This one came up. This one right here is coming up also. Just hasn't broken through yet. But overall, so far, 3 out of the 7 came up. Not too bad. This is a tree I grew about 2 years ago from seed. As you can see, it's pretty tall. It's about 5 feet tall. It's doing pretty good here.